The Huawei Mate 50 series debuted in September with 4 Mates hitting the shelves in China: Mate 50, Mate 50 Pro, Mate 50e, and Mate 50 RS Porsche Design. Only one of these high-end smartphones eventually left its homeland, the Huawei Mate 50 Pro, and we now have its vegan leather version for review. The Huawei Mate 50 Pro is already on sale in Europe, and it's only natural we give it the attention it deserves. Yes, it still comes without Google mobile services and 5G access, but it's an outstanding camera phone and a great all-around multimedia device, so write off the Mate 50 Pro at your own risk. There's a lot to like on the Mate 50 Pro spec sheet. It's a thin and curved phone with IP68 ingress protection and durable glass atop the screen. The 6.74-inch OLED looks gorgeous. It uses a high-res 1212p panel with 1B colors, 120Hz refresh rate, and HDR10 Plus support. The screen notch is not as an eyesore as on the iPhones, as it is noticeably thinner. It does contain similar hardware, like a selfie camera, a TOF 3D scanner for proper face identification, and a speaker/earpiece. The ultra-wide 13MP selfie camera offers 3 options for the field of view. Aside from the unavoidable omissions, one more thing is worth mentioning. The orange version of the Mate 50 Pro, the one with the faux leather back, is the only one featuring the durable Kunlun glass protection. The black and silver models have tempered glass on both sides, but the sheets are of unknown origin and less durable. Kunlun glass is 10 times more drop resistant than the ones used on the black and silver versions. Mind you, the European Mate 50 Pro version also doesn't offer the support for BDS satellite messages of its Chinese counterpart. Huawei has already built a strong ecosystem of products, so you may find the phone being sold in a bundle with a Huawei GT3 watch, FreeBuds, or other Huawei tech. If you already own some Huawei gadgets, including laptops, the Mate 50 Pro would integrate nicely with those, making a strong point of why you should consider it as your daily driver.